So this research was done in which they compared all the sweeteners of the world, honey, agave syrup, white sugar, brown sugar, stevia. And from all those sweeteners, they found that there were two sweeteners that were really rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are things which reduce inflammation. These are the things which stop the free radical damage, and they are healthier for the body as compared to other sweeteners which actually cause inflammation. They promote inflammation. So, do you know what these two sweeteners are? The links to the research I am talking about can be found in the description box below as always. And these two sweeteners basically were molasses and date sugar. So, these were the two sweeteners, and today we will use date sugar and make a cake out of it. So, stay tuned and we'll start right after the intro. Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and today with date sugar we will make a cake. First and foremost, I am telling you, most of the people who are subscribed to my channel are either my patients who are following keto diet for weight loss or for sugar control or for PCOS or whatever. But the thing is, date sugar is not keto friendly. If you want to lose weight or you are diabetic, then you should not be eating date sugar. Otherwise, people who want to gain weight, like growing children, or people who are like old people, or someone like who has lost their weight after chemotherapy or cancer treatment or any other disease, or patients of, I have a patient of myopathy who has very less muscle mass and they want to build muscle, then this is the sweetener for them. This sweetener will actually reduce the inflammation which is actually aggravating their diseases. So this is one of the most healthy sweeteners, and watch the video till the end, because at the end I'll tell you how to use sweeteners or any other carbohydrates for muscle building, how to promote muscle building by your body using sweeteners. And we'll start making the cake now. So we'll start with 7 eggs, preferably pasture raised eggs. Separate the yolks and the whites. What I do is I crack open the eggs in a bowl, and then with the help of a spoon I separate the yolks and the whites. Now the whites, we have to beat them. We have to whisk them till they are stiff peaks. You can most probably do this job with hand also if you are a bodybuilder. Let me know in the comment section below if you can do this with your hand, so that I can contact you if I am out of electricity. Anyways, I was using this electric whisk and I used it for about 10 minutes till I got stiff peaks like this. See, these peaks do not fall. Okay, these are called stiff peaks. Now to the egg yolks. We have to beat the egg yolks thoroughly, and once they are beaten well, now we will add our cinnamon and coffee. Make sure that your coffee is organic, otherwise it will be loaded with pesticides, okay? And the cinnamon is basically an anti-inflammatory spice. Now add 1 cup of honey. You can also add a cup of molasses, okay? Molasses is the other sweetener which was found to be rich in antioxidants, and I'll show you how to make molasses at home. Stay tuned for the recipe and subscribe to our channel. Also click the bell icon right with it, because frankly you will not find any other channel which shows recipes not only based on taste but also on their health benefits. Although I am a medical doctor, but I seriously believe in using food as medicine. Anyway, add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and now we'll add our star ingredient, the date sugar. Date sugar is basically a whole food. Basically, dates are dried and they are ground up, and that makes date sugar. It is my personal request to all the parents out there, please don't feed your kids with white sugar, okay? It is inflammatory and you are basically putting them on the road to diabetes and obesity. Please use safe sweeteners like date sugar or molasses. Anyway, once you add your water and vanilla essence to the mixture, give it a good mix. Once it is homogenized, now is the time to add your flour. And I'll be using a gluten-free flour. It is gram flour or besan as it is called in Desi household. It is naturally gluten-free, and it is a very good substitute for white flour, refined flour, which is basically inflammatory. Gluten is another inflammatory thing. I have taught cakes, biscuits, breads, everything with all gluten-free flours like coconut flour, almond flour. Again, subscribe to our channel and do view these recipes. These can be life-saving, you know. Anyway, once your mixture is homogenized, now I'll add both baking soda as well as baking powder. I want this cake to be so fluffy and soft like a cloud. Finally, time has come to fold in the egg whites, the first step of our cake preparation. We do not want our stiff peaks to flatten, so be very gentle, very slow, and slow rotating movements like this. Just fold in the whole of the egg white mixture in batches till all of the egg whites get incorporated into the liquid mixture. Now as you can see, we have prepared quite a lot of cake batter, and this is enough to fill in about 9 into 13 inch pan. But I did not use a 9 into 13 inch pan. Instead I used a bended pan of 9 inch and another round pan of 9 inches, and I made two cakes out of the same batter. Smart, isn't it? Basically, if you are making the big cake, you will have to bake for about an hour, but these two small cakes, each one of these I baked for about half an hour at 180 degrees Celsius. You can decide when your cake is done. Once the skewer, it comes out clean. Anyway, both of my cakes came out fluffy and super awesome and really sweet. But you know, I have people in my household who like extra sweetness in their cakes. So what I did, I used one of these cakes. As you can see, the bunded cake, I used it as a tea cake. I did not add any topping on it. But for the other cake, I added a glaze. Trust me when I say this cake was super sweet with the sweetness of the dates, sweetness of the honey. It did not lack any sweetness. But there are people in my house who love extra sweetness. Okay, for them, I actually glazed the other cake. And this glazing is very easy to make. I just mixed in some honey, some date sugar, some vanilla essence and some butter, and this I made into a glaze. And as you can see, I just poured the glaze on my cake and then I decorated it with some dates. You can add cream if you wish. Decoration is up to you. You can decorate this fluffy soft cake as you wish, or you can take it even without the glaze. And I am very sure you will be presenting your cake much better than I have presented mine. Let me know in the comment section below how you presented your cake. Did you take it with the glaze or without the glaze? As you have seen, we have made a wonderful cake using date sugar, which is a very healthy sweetener. And as I promised, I'll tell you how to go on about muscle building with the sweetener. Basically, what happens that whatever sweetener you take, if you're taking date sugar or you're taking white sugar, whatever sugar sweetener you are taking, it actually releases your insulin. Now this insulin, if there is no protein or there is excessive protein, then it will make fat out of it. So basically what we do in keto diet is basically we reduce insulin, and once we reduce insulin, the fat forming capacity of body reduces. But if you have fasted, say for example for 18 hours, or you are doing high intensity interval training, now what will happen during the high intensity interval training is your muscle fibers will get broken. Okay, fine. And once after post workout, you have some carbohydrate, some healthy carbohydrate like dates or date sugar, or say for example banana or whatever thing, the sum of healthy carbohydrates, this will release insulin. But if you follow this with some protein rich meal, like you can take fish or minced meat or any other lean protein, what will happen, this insulin will not make fat out of it, it will make protein out of it, specifically muscle protein. So this is the basis of bodybuilding. You basically break muscle fibers and then you release insulin, and this insulin will basically go on building muscles or building your body. So thank you for watching the video till the end. In the comment section below, let me know if you have made this cake and how many people in your house like the cake and how many requested to make it again and again. So thank you for watching the video till the end. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.